Hi friends, I Yogita Modi welcoming you in my channel. Subscribe it. Standard 7 Mathematics Exercise 1.1 Lesson number 1 Integers. Question 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So dear friends, here 1 and 2. There are two squares are given. Okay. First of all, we will solve the square 1. Okay. So before this, that we should know what is the column and row. So dear friends, vertical line you are seeing, that is the column, and horizontal you are showing, that is the row. Okay. So in this way we will do the addition of the all the rows and all the column. Now question 1. In it, dear friends, you can see that first row we are going to see this one. We are going to do the addition of this row. In it, the 5 plus into bracket negative 1 plus into bracket negative 4. So dear friends, here the both the number we will do the addition of it first. So dear friends, plus minus which become a minus, and this minus minus which become a plus. Okay. So negative 4 and negative 1 which become here a negative 5, and 5 will be the as it is. So 5 minus 5 which become a 0. Okay. Now we are going to see the second row. In it, the negative 5 plus into bracket negative 2 bracket close plus 7 is the given. So dear friends, we will do first the addition of these both. Plus minus minus and minus minus plus. So 5 plus 2 which become a negative 7. Okay. And plus 7. So both having opposite sign here. One having a negative and another having the plus. So plus minus again become a 7 minus 7 which becomes a 0. Now dear friends, we are going to see the third one. Okay. Now 0 plus 3 plus into bracket negative 3. Now dear friends, 0 plus 3 which becomes a 3, and here plus minus which become a minus. So 3 minus 3 which become a 0. Okay. So we can see that after adding the all rows we are getting the answer 0. We are getting the answer 0. Okay friends. Now what we will do? We will do the addition of column 1 by 1. So here you can see that first column, that is the 5 plus negative 5 plus 0. Okay. So dear friends, plus minus minus. Okay. So here 5 minus 0 which becomes a negative 5. Negative 5 plus 0 which become a negative 5, and positive 5 will be the as it is. So 5 minus 5 which become a 0. Now dear friends, we are going to see the next column, negative 1, negative 2 and 3. Okay friends. So here plus minus minus, and here already minus given. So this minus and this minus, minus minus will be the plus. So 1 plus 2 which become a 3. And by comparing the 1 and 2, the 2 is the greater and which having a minus sign, so we will put here the minus. So minus 3 plus 3. So plus minus minus and minus minus, sorry, plus minus minus and 3 minus 3 which becomes a 0. Okay. Now we are going to see the third row. Here in it the negative 4, 7 and negative 3. Okay. So here negative 4, 7 plus negative 3. Okay. So Dear friends, -4 plus 7. So here mistake is the given. We will do the correction over here. Plus minus minus. Okay. So 7 minus 4 which become a 3. Okay. And while we are doing the comparison 4 and 7, 7 is the greater and which having a positive sign. And here after it these plus minus which become a minus. So 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 which become a 0. Okay. Now so here again we are getting the answer 0. Okay. Now we are doing the addition of the diagonal. So first of all we are doing the addition of this one. Okay. This one diagonal 5 plus -2 plus into bracket -3. Okay. -3. Later it we will do the addition of -4, -2 and 0. So friends, here plus minus which become a minus. So minus 3 and this is the -2 minus minus which become a plus. Okay. So 3 plus 2 which become a minus 5 and already 5 is the given. So this 5 minus 5 which become a 0. Now we are going to do the addition of the another diagonal which we are given -4 plus into bracket -2 plus 0. Okay. So plus minus minus. Okay. And minus minus which become a plus. So -4 minus -2 which become a 6 and -6. -6 plus 0 which become a -6. Okay friends. So here while doing the addition of the all rows we are getting the same answer. While doing the addition of the all the columns we are getting the same answer. But while we are doing the addition of the two diagonals, so at that time we are getting a different answer. And according to the question, if we are doing the addition of the row, column and diagonal, the answer should be same. So according to this, all these first one is not a magic square because in it the another diagonal, this one -4 -2 plus 0. Okay. -4 plus into bracket -2 plus 0 which having a different answer among these all rows, column and diagonal. So it is not a magic square. Okay. So in this way you can try the second one also. Okay friends, that you have to do in your own way. Now the next part of this question we are going to see the question number 8. Okay. It is also easy and interesting question here. So question number 8, it is also easy question here. In it we are going to see that verify a minus into bracket negative b bracket close. So dear friends, we know that minus minus which become a plus. So a plus b for the following will be happen, and for the following values a and b as given and we have to verify a. So friends, in the first question what's given there, a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18. So according to as per our question, a minus into bracket negative b bracket close which becomes a plus, minus minus which become a plus, so a plus b. So this one will be our LHS, and after equal to given this one become our RHS. So we have to verify the LHS and RHS. So first of all we will put the value in our LHS, that is the a minus, we are seeing this one step, a minus into bracket negative b which is equal to value of a 21, so we will put that 21 minus into bracket value of b is the 18. So minus 80. Now dear friends, you know that minus minus which become a plus. So 21 plus 18 which becomes a 39. Okay. So at the LHS our answer is the 39. Now we are going to see the RHS. Okay friend. Now here you can see that value, now we are putting the value into the RHS which becomes the A plus B. So value of A is the 21 and B is the 19. While doing this addition, 21 plus 18, here also the mistake is given that you can see. So instead of 19 you have to write there 18. So 21 plus 18 which becomes a 39. So in the LHS and RHS we are getting the same answer. So we are concluding here the LHS which is equal to RHS, hence the given equation is verified. In this same we are going to see the question number 2. Now into the question number 2, A is the 118 and B is the 125. We have A minus into bracket negative b which is equal to a plus b. This one is the LHS and after equation the remaining part which is the given, that is the RHS. So first of all we are going to put the value into the LHS which is equal to a minus into bracket negative b. Value of a is the 18, so 118 minus value of b is the 125. So we'll put here into bracket minus 125. Now this minus minus which become a plus. So 118 plus 125 which is equal to 243. In the same way, now we will see the RHS. Okay. Now that's a given a plus b. Now it's so simple, directly we have to do the addition 118 plus 125 which becomes a 240. So you can see here the LHS and RHS, this LHS and this RHS both are the equal, so hence verify. Okay friends, so now we are going to see the question number 3. Here use the sign. So friends, now we are going to see the question number 9. Okay, now use the sign of greater than, less than or is equal to into the box, make the statement true. Okay, now here again before bracket given, that is the before bracket given, dear friends, it's the LHS and after bracket this given which is the RHS. This is the RHS and this one is the LHS. Here we have to do the comparison of the LHS and RHS. Okay friends. Now in this question A, B and C we are going to see here in this video, and D and E should be in your homework. Okay friends. Now negative 8 plus into bracket negative 4. First of all we will solve the LHS, later it to the RHS. So dear friends, you can see plus minus which become a minus. So negative 8 minus negative 4. So minus minus which become a plus. Okay, so 8 plus 4 which is equal to 12, and here we will put the minus sign which become a negative 12. Now we are going to see the RHS of this question, which is the, in this one, minus minus which become a plus. So negative 8 plus 4. Here minus plus which become a minus. Okay friends. So 8 minus 4 which become a 4. Now while we are doing the comparison of 8 and 4, in it the 8 is a greater and these 8 having a minus sign, so we have to put the minus sign into our answer. Now here into the LHS we having a negative 12 and add to the RHS we having a negative 4. Now we have to do the comparison. So while doing the comparison, negative 4 is greater as compared to the negative 12. So negative 12 is less than the negative 4. So in this way we completed our A. Now friends, we are going to see the B one. Okay. Now here negative 3 bracket close plus 7 minus into bracket 19. This LHS part we are going to see the first one. So dear friends, we will take out from the bracket negative 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, so we will do the first solution. We will solve this one first. Negative 3 plus 7 minus plus which become a minus. Okay, 7 minus 3 which becomes a 4, and 7 having a greater number having a positive sign, so we will put here plus 4. Okay, if you are showing plus 4 then will be okay. If you are not showing the plus sign, then it is also considered as a positive number. Okay, so 4 minus 19, here again plus minus which become a minus, so 19 minus 4 which become a 15. Okay, and plus which sign, while comparison 4 and 19, 19 is the greater and 19 having a minus, so we should put here minus sign. So plus 4 minus negative 4 which become here a negative 15. Okay, now we are going to solve the RHS of this one. 15 minus 8 plus into bracket negative 9 bracket close. So 15 minus 8 plus minus minus. Okay, now minus minus which become a plus, so 8 plus 9 which become a 17, and we will put here the minus sign over here because both number having a while comparison the 8 and 9, 9 having a minus sign. Okay, which is a greater and having a minus sign, and whenever both sign are the equal we should put that minus. So 15 minus 17 which is equal to negative 2. So while doing the comparison of 15 and negative 2, so negative 2 is the greater, so negative 15 is the less than the negative 2. Okay friends, now we are going to see the C part of this question friends. Now in this question, negative 23, positive 23, that means 23 minus 41 plus 11. This is the LHS, and another part 23 minus negative 41 minus 11. So friends, another part that is the RHS, in it the 23 minus 41 minus 11. Okay friends, so in this way first of all 20 minus 41, so plus minus which become a minus. Okay, so 23 minus 41 which becomes a 18, so here minus 18 and plus 11, again minus plus which become a minus, so 18 minus 11 which become a 7, and greater number having a minus sign, so we will put here minus 7. Now see the RHS. Now 23 minus 41 which becomes a minus minus, here we will do the minus minus which become a plus, so 41 and 11 which become a 52, so 23 minus 52, so plus minus which become a minus. Okay, so 23 minus 52 which become a 29. Okay, and the 52 which is the greater and which having a minus sign, so we'll put here minus. Now we are doing the comparison again, so negative 7 and negative 29, in it the negative 7 is the greater, so negative 7 is greater than the negative 29. So in this way we completed the question number 9, and D and E you have to solve. So thank you.